Start your moving timeline by working backward from your confirmed move-in date so every decision has a deadline. First, set your move-in date and immediately build a backward timeline with major milestones at weekly intervals. Mark when to book movers, when to start packing each room, and when to transfer utilities. Reserve moving services and any building amenities like elevators or loading docks at least 4 weeks ahead to secure your slot and avoid last-minute conflicts. Create a checklist that assigns specific rooms and tasks to each week and include buffer days for delays, illness, or weather so you are not rushed on moving day. For utilities, call providers to schedule service termination and activation 3 to 7 days around your move, so you have running water, heat, and power on move-in day and no double billing. Notify your landlord or new building manager about key dates and delivery windows and confirm any access instructions and parking permits 5 days before the move. Keep digital and paper copies of all bookings and receipts, and check confirmations 72 hours before moving day to catch any mistakes. A common mistake is waiting too long to book movers, which leads to higher costs and limited availability. So reserve services as soon as your timeline is set and consider midweek or mid-month dates to find more options. Another frequent issue is forgetting to reserve building amenities, which can stall unloading, so contact building management early and get written confirmation of time slots and rules. People also underestimate utility switch timing and end up with a gap in service, so call providers and confirm activation windows, and schedule overlap days if you need continuous service. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and moving service providers aligned with their timing needs. We connect contractors with work opportunities and host a discussion community where we and other members share scheduling tips and local timing know-how.